Hey guys, this is Colin Dean with ThinkComputers. I'm at the Fractal Design booth here at CES 2012 with Dan. Dan's going to show us around, tell us about some of Fractal Design's new cases.
Well, we're going to start here. This is our flagship kind of case, the Define R3. This was introduced in 2009, and this is really what got Fractal Design on the map. The R3, it's a ATX case, supporting all the way from mini ITX all the way up to regular. This case has got the bitumen sound damping material on both sides, as well as our patented Moduvent technology. And what that allows is, if you feel it, actually what it is, it's pieces of bitumen attached to a panel, and so it's actually able to get taken out and put back in without sacrificing any sort of sound quality at all. So this is the little brother to the Define XL, actually. The Define XL is it's the biggest case that we have. It's got standard eATX, and it handles that. It's got 10 hard drive bays, and it actually has compartmentalization where you can separate your hard drives and your power supply from your motherboard and your graphics card along with that. Standard, it comes with a 180 millimeter fan at the top, as well as two other 140 millimeter fans in the back and the front. So we go from the Behemoth XL to the regular R3, and then if you look over there, we actually have the Define Mini. The Define Mini was introduced for customers who wanted something in a smaller package but wanted the same sound damping properties as the R3. It supports only up to mini ATX, but it still has it's still got the maneuverability of a top tier case as well. All of these cases support USB 3.0. That was just revised this year, and the Define R3 comes in white, black, titanium, and silver. The XL only comes in titanium and black, but in the future that may or may not change. So that's our Define family. That's kind of what we kind of got started with. And then this year, when we moved into the US, we actually introduced two other lines of cases. This right here, these are the Core family that we have. These are aimed at our value and mainstream kind of users. These cases are very, very popular in Europe with system integrators and whatnot. These cases offer a lot of product and a lot of performance, but with a retail value that's extremely cheap. The Core 3000 right here, it still has the modular hard drives. All the hard drives, all the bays support 3.5 and 2.5 inch drives, but the retail price of this is only $74.99.
Wow.
It's a very affordable case, and it's extremely moddable. Online, people love it just for the fact that, yes, it's kind of a bare bones type case, but at the same time, that is what you want when you are a heavy modder. You want to make sure that you can take everything apart and put it back together how you want to do it.
Having a great canvas is always great for those folks.
Absolutely, and once we get over to some of our ARC series cases, you'll really see that. The Core 1000, this is the smallest and most value case that we have on the market right now. Retails at $39.99, and what this has actually has vertical mounting for the hard drives. Both 3.5 inch and 2.5 inch mounts, but it still has the 2 5.25 bays. This is mainly used for very minimal computing. I've seen a lot of mods that use it because you can take this out and actually have a huge graphics card in there. Like I saw a guy put a 6990 in here in a tiny case like this. But this is something that we try to keep in mind, that people, if they're on a budget and if they want something that's just going to get it done, that's what we offer. If we actually that's right now, that's what we have for the Core series. We're going to head over to the ARC family right now. So this is what made the biggest splash in the U.S. market so far. Like I said, we've only been in the U.S. for a year, and we've been a Newegg exclusive. So the ARC series, this is what we tout as our performance, very high airflow cases. There's been a huge demand for that, and the customers really enjoy it. So what this really does is the ARC MIDI is our best selling of the ARC series. It comes standard with 3 140 millimeter fans, and those are our Silent Series fans. The thing I like about this the most is the fact, if you actually look back here and put your fingers, there's almost ½ an inch of cable management back there. And that really makes a difference when you have these huge power supplies and a lot of components in there.
Certainly.
Absolutely, yeah. The great thing about this is also the hard drive trays right here. They come out. You can swing them 90 degrees, put them in so the fans actually cool your hard drives, or you can take them out completely if you have an extra long graphics card, or even if you just want to save some space. This case retails at $109.99, the same price as our flagship Define R3. So whether you're looking for the quiet computing or the more performance-based, you have a great price point for that. The Arc Mini, this is the mini ATX version of the Arc. That's simply just like the Define Mini, a little brother only focused on micro ATX cases. It comes standard with 2 fans. It has 2 less hard drive bays, but it's still got a lot of room to work with. If we take out the side panel here, you actually see it's still got the same amount of room on the back, but just simply 2 less hard drive bays, and then 3 less expansion slots. What's unique about these cases is the fact that they have this fan controller slot, and these come standard with all the Arc cases. They're having fan controllers, and so that way it's kind of focused at the high airflow sort of thing.
Without sacrificing an expansion port.
No, absolutely, yeah.
Very important.
We wanted to make sure that you were able to put as much as you could in these cases without sacrificing almost anything. The very unique thing about the Arc, in my opinion, is the fact that if you actually look, you can actually put a 240 millimeter dual radiator in here, mounted directly on the top. Right now you're looking at an Origin. They're our first system integrator that we're using, and this is their Millennium line. Basically what they did is they worked with us, and we were able to provide the cases for their setup. Like I said, this is brand new for CES, brand new for 2012, and it's going to be a very good relationship with Origin. So this is our Arc series. We go from performance to value to silent computing. That's what we offer right now. And if we want to actually see the performance that you can get from this series, I'm going to take you on over to Bill Owen's corner right here. We've had a very good relationship with Bill Owen. He's been in the industry for 12 years doing professional case modding, and we had him do 2 cases for us. First up is the Battlefield 3 one. This is just a fantastic case.
Like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's even spring-loaded too.
If you look on that side, the bullets are actually real 45 caliber bullets in the side of there, and he did all the camouflage himself, and the stenciling and everything. Bill is a fantastic modder, and he's a really easy guy to work with. I'm going to take you over to his other project real quick, and then might be able to talk to him about what's exactly in this. So this is what I was talking about when I said that there's a lot of expansion room within the Arc Midi. He did this special for Fractal Design, keeping with our black and white contrast that we have within all our cases. And it has a dual 240 millimeter radiator right here, and another one right here, not 240, but a smaller one. He wanted to make something that kept with the contrast, but showed a lot of modability inside and a lot of room to work with. So he took the Sabertooth motherboard, and it's all his own carbon fiber that he took on that. He stenciled it all out. Same thing with the power supply. It turned out very nice, and I couldn't ask for anything better, that's for sure. So yeah, again, Bill Owen, MMPC Tech, he definitely deserves all the credit for these 2 great custom cases, and we really appreciate his work. So that's our booth here at CES 2012 for Fractal Design. In 2012 we'll be announcing a lot of new products. Right now that's basically all the specifics I can give you, but I can tell you that you can look forward to seeing power supplies in the later part of the year. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to come over and check us out.
Well, thank you very much for showing us around. This is Colin Dean for ThinkComputers, the Fractal Design booth at CES 2012.